We do everything from the beginning of the employment relationship right to the end of that relationship and everything in between.
We don't dabble in the area, we specialize in the area.
We have a large department of labor and employment lawyers, so we have a depth of expertise at all levels.
So if you have a matter, for example, that requires a lot of bench strength, a major strike or something of that nature, we have the capability to man that up sufficiently.
One of the things that we do in trying to be proactive is to offer our clients services in the area of training, for example. So we might help them draft a policy that they want to implement, such as a harassment policy.
Many of our clients are unfamiliar with how to deal with these things. Certainly you need to conduct a proper investigation. You need to make sure that you're giving the complainant, the person who's voicing the concerns, an opportunity to have their say. This has to be done in a confidential manner, of course.
We find that human rights tribunals are as concerned about the process that an employer follows as they are about the actual issue that arose.
You're not able to deal with an employee who's presenting with problems related to those conditions as you might have done, 30 years ago.
We try to help them by making sure that they know what to do if they do have an incident in the workplace. They might come to us and say, we've had a complaint filed internally, we have to investigate that complaint and figure out what happened. We will help them with what the investigative steps should be during that process.
At McLennan Ross, we're looking to build a relationship with our clients. We're prepared to invest in our clients in order to maintain that relationship. And one of the things we found is that often the best way to get to know our clients, or one of the best, is to make ourselves available to do a bit of in-house training, seminars, things of that nature.
Anytime I get a new client, the first thing I like to do is go out and visit their operation, get a tour of their facilities and find out how their processes actually work.
And what that leads to, in our view, is a better ability to advise, and they tend to have much more trust in what we're doing. We get to know their business, and they're confident that we do know their business.
We're lawyers that you tend to have on speed dial, and we talk to our clients weekly or monthly. Some I may not talk to for 6 months, and then they have a flurry of issues, but they're people that we've gotten to know, and we get to know their business, which I find really interesting.
There's so much out there, and it's both challenging but very rewarding.